Hello, innovators. There are often times when you need music for something you're working on. Maybe you're making something for social media or for YouTube, but you do know that you need music and you want something original. So, today, I'm going to walk you through Suno, showing you how this great AI music website works to help you solve your creative music problem. It does a really good job of making songs, and they've updated it recently, so now it's even more powerful. First of all, you see the About screen. You can make songs about workouts, about lunch, about your mama's cooking, etc. If you click on Make a Song, it'll take you directly to the main Suno webpage. During this walkthrough, I'm going to show you all the things that are included in here, and we'll even make a few sample songs so you can see how to do it for yourself. Suno is a great place to come and get original music created with AI, and it does a really nice job. First of all, if you don't have an account, you will need to sign up. So, if you'll click here, you can sign in with any of these, or you can use your phone number. Just a second. Okay, now I'm in my account. Suno has really recently upgraded, and it's so much nicer to look at. Look at all the things on the screen, the images, the way it's set up. So, I really give them credit for that. Here you can see there is a showcase of different songs that people have built. You can see how many people have liked them, how many times they've been listened to, trending songs. You can see trending playlists. You can see community playlists, the top categories, and you can always click on Show More if you're interested in any particular area. There's so much to see here, but the important thing is that we want to listen to some music. So let's listen to a couple of these and just see what's going on. Let's see what this one sounds like. Over here, you can read the lyrics if it has them. You can also make instrumentals if you want to. Let's listen to one more. So, let's go on and work our way through the Suno website so you can see how things work. If you want to come in here and make music on your own, you can. But it's important to point out that, yes, you can join for free and you can get enough credits to make up to 10 songs a day. But I do want to point out to you that if you do use this music, you can't use it for commercial purposes because it has a non-commercial use attached to it if you use the free plan. So you can use it. You just can't use it commercially. I just wanted to make that clear. But if you want to come in here and play around, and if you really enjoy what you're doing and you want to make even more songs to use in your products, you can safely do that by signing up for one of these paid plans. So, what I would advise, if you're just testing the waters, start out free, play with it, learn how to use the software, and don't use the songs you create commercially. Later, once you know how to use the software, come over here and subscribe to a paid plan. They have monthly and yearly billing options, and you'll save some money if you go for the yearly plan. So, let's go back home and walk ourselves through this. We'll just go down each of these different headings. Let's start with Create first. You can add lyrics if you want to. So, if you have something already created, you can just cut and paste it in here. You can also ask it to make random lyrics for you if you're into that. You can choose the style of music here, and there's a lot of different ones. Or you can just type it in here if there's some particular style you're looking for. Here's where you give your song a title. You can also upload things here, but I have not tried that myself. You can also create an instrumental. Type in what kind of music you want to make, or choose one of these presets that are already listed here. And you can also change the model you're working with. I would suggest just leave it on the newest. So let's create an instrumental first, just to see what we can come up with. So, it's not perfect, but it is very good. Now, we're going to extend our song. So it's going to actually add more to the actual end of the song. So, let's click here. And again, it'll give you 2 song options, and you can choose which one you like the best. Let's listen. Okay, so you get the idea. Once you are done, you can then download it as an MP3 or a WAV file. And then we can add this music file to our YouTube videos or whatever we're going to be working on. So that's basically how you create a song. The more songs you make, the better you will get at this. So that's a quick overview on creating a song. Just come here and play around and see what you can make. Now, let's go to the library. These are the songs that we created earlier. I definitely suggest you just come in here and explore all these tabs. There is also a search feature if you are looking for something in particular. This is where your plan is. Here are how many credits you have. This is what's new. If you need help, you can click here. If you want to learn more information, you can click here. So, everything's in here that you'll need to make AI music. It's a cool site and very intuitive to use overall. And if you want to create your own music, I highly encourage you come to Suno, sign up for an account, even if it's a free one, and experiment. Play with it and see what you can make. I hope you have fun making some music now that you're a little more familiar with this site. And there you have it, a quick overview showing you how to elevate your projects with Suno AI Music. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, the possibilities are endless. Remember, with Suno, you're not just making music, you're creating unique experiences and adding a personal touch to your content. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow creators, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create next.